In 2021, two leaders in industrial automation software joined forces. Starting in April 2022, our solutions, Autosave and Version Dog, will combine to become one product, and will continue to offer the same market-leading services as one piece of software. Introducing octoplant. Octoplant will continue to offer all the features available with Autosave and Version Dog. IoT device management, safeguarding assets, instant recovery, business intelligence, operational efficiency, compliance management, threat protection, education and training. Octoplant, one solution, same software, same service. Octoplant by Avvisi, MDT. For more information, go to www.avvisi-mdt.com/octoplant.